In this video, we'll be replacing the Stryker ST receiver. To get to this step, please refer to the Stryker ST disassembly video. First, we will remove the bulb lens and reflector. To do that, pull out on each side, and that'll release from the bracket. Pull that out. Then we will need to remove the 5 bulkhead screws, 3 here up front and 2 here in the back side. Then we will lift the bulkhead up. Make sure you keep all the screws. Then we will be removing the Stryker ST receiver with the 4 screws holding that on. Once the screws are off, you will disconnect the connectors from the receiver. And your receiver's out. Now you'll take your new receiver, connect all the connectors into place. Put the receiver back. Reinsert the screws. Once you have the new receiver installed, you will take the bulkhead. You can see here we have a slider and then there's a channel on the bottom side. We need to make sure that the slider is in place. Slide that back down. Then put the screws back in place. That is how you replace the receiver in the Stryker ST.